a functions question now, and we have to work out an integer value for GFF of -2. So we work from the inside out. We've got to first work out what the f of -2 is, then the f of that answer, and then the g of that answer. So let's have a go. So first of all, we want the f of -2. Well, the f, which is this guy here, of -2 is this point here, which is 0. So we now want the f of 0. And again, looking at our f curve here, f of 0 will be this point here. So this is equal to 6. So I now want g of 6. So I look now to the g graph, and I've got to estimate what value of y is when g is 6. So popping in 2 guidelines to help, here's g of 6, and we get an answer of 2. That's our red dot, and this is equal to 2. So therefore I can say that GFF of -2 is 2, and that's your answer.